Oh, man.
Jesus.
This person's like, I am not risking it.
Yeah.
Jeebums. Holy crap.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Got everybody in here. We're going to help Katie's sister move. Which we don't kind of know what that means. We just know we gotta take her things and drive it back and forth after we rent a U-Haul. So
It's the least amount of places as possible.
yeah, hopefully this gets done quick, but we are here to help. Good morning. It's early. It's not even 8:30. It's 8:20 right now, and it's Saturday, and we're awake. This is very rare. Okay, we're at the U-Haul place. We're gonna get, I don't know what we're gonna get, but a U-Haul. Look at the clouds. They look so cool. So cool. Everybody is not awake yet. Still kind of, well, Zoe woke up at 5. I don't understand that, but yeah, we're still waking up.
Is back of the truck. There's a light. I don't know where you went. Oh wait, crap. Damn it. Jesus.
We started moving.
A lot of it.
Oh, here comes a couch. So it's all raining out. It's amazing. So nice. It's like the best day to be doing something like this. It's all wet and it's not hot. It's like 70 degrees. Right? It's nice, isn't it? Yeah.
I'm in the back. I get to ride back here. This is so cool.
For our second stop, picking up more things from this house. And it's still raining. We're all loaded up, going to excuse me, next location, Trina's apartment, Katie's sister's apartment. Look, film us all.
I can't.
You got little short stubby arms, I know. There you go.
I can't.
It's okay.
No.
It's still raining out awesomely.
Yeah.
Like more than before now. Like it's really coming down. Careful, the mic's up there.
There's rain on it. Oop.
Alright.
Ooh.
It's like flooding.
It's cool. It's raining.
Really hard to see on the freeway. Doesn't seem like it. Doesn't seem like it's that hard to see through the lens, but it's...
Yeah, it changes with the camera.
Yeah.
Completely covered, completely soaked. It started pouring as soon as we started unloading. And if you're not soaked by the time you get to this part, then you get soaked. Like that. It's fun. Hey, hey, hi, we're done. Look at this, look. I am sopping wet. Like my shoes. We're currently going to go home and change clothes, Zoe and I. And then we're going
I want to take a shower.
to Katie's and we're gonna get some pizza.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Wow, dirt.
Blood! Whee!
I'm going too fast through there. Come on.
Whee! Water.
Yeah.
Water.
Oh, look over there.
Jesus.
Oh, man. This
Jeezums.
person's like, I am not risking it.
Yeah.
Jeebums. Holy crap.
This is why there's a flood advisory.
Oh my
Come on, people, if you just gas it.
gosh.
Whee! We just gas it. Water.
My car would not make it through this, I don't think.
If your exhaust is higher than, see Zig's tailpipe right there?
Yeah.
As long as you're, oh look, there's
Oh,
a piece
it's
of
a
a car
bumper.
floating.
Oh wait, are we gonna run over that? Oh
No.
crap.
Hurry.
Why are they so far over? They need to get on the road.
See, this person's got the radio.
They're even flat out.
Well, they're in an SUV, they're a little higher.
I know, but
Look at the
it's
sidewalk,
deep
look at the bus
over
stop,
there.
Zoe. I guess there is a whole lane where that vehicle is. An Armada. Oh, there's another car park. It must have been an accident or something. Oh, they're not in a lane. They're in the bike lane. Oh, they're doing it to have fun. I see what they're doing.
It's like wee.
So every Saturday, usually, Katie's dad has been giving us tons of stuff, which we totally appreciate, aside from all the cakes he gives us, but they are delicious. He gave us a tres leches with Oreo whipped cream, some bread, pizza. These rice puddings are so good and there's no sugar added. These are just delicious. Creamy tomato basil soup. Tomato bisque, I can't read, sorry. Ranch for the pizzas, and some bananas. And we now are about to go pick up dinner, and it's gonna be delicious. Oh, we didn't really, I don't know the last time I filmed. Probably right after the rain thing, Zoe and I like drove home after we got to Katie's and dropped off the U-Haul. We came back here and took really, really hot showers and changed out of our clothes because we were both soaked like completely through all of our clothing. And then we went back to Katie's and her mom got us all pizza and we ate pizza. And then Katie, Zoe, and I passed out on the couch. We just like fell asleep. But it was a really, really, really good day. Lots of working out, lots of running around. And I actually, even though that was a lot of work, that was so much fun doing that in the rain today. It was amazing.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, well, oh, and I didn't film this. Katie got me, I'm gonna eat this for dessert actually tonight. Katie got this for me at work. It's a little heart cookie with the, it's an alive heart because it has the heartbeat. Good night, pretty princess.
Good night.
You don't remember those from like the 80s? The pretty princess? Or Polly Pocket? Maybe that's what I'm thinking of. Little toys.
I don't know. Chris was a little before my time.
Oh, shut up. We're gonna go to bed. We're gonna go see that. What's the name of the movie we're seeing tomorrow?
Bad Times at the
Hotel Royale or something?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm excited. I heard it's good. So that's happening tomorrow. Come back, find out. We'll talk about the movie. And today was a long day, but it was fun. I think I mentioned that already. So thank you for watching. Good night. It's okay. I'll go sleep.
Okay. Louder.
What?
Whee! You went too fast through there. Come on.
Water.
Yeah.
Water.